All right, we're in Palmer, Alaska, and we are nestled between some amazing mountain views here.
I guess this is growing up. Yeah, I guess this is growing up.
We're gonna be taking a helicopter ride here shortly, and I'm excited to show you what we're going to do. We're on the glacier, getting ready to go on another sled dog mush here. I think we're going up there somewhere. Mama's gonna drive.
You would think.
Are you driving good, babe? Let's keep us on track here.
Lighter sled. We're only going like 2 miles, but it's a lot of weight. Good job.
This was one of the coolest things that we have ever done, and it checked off a lot of firsts for me. First time in a helicopter, first time on a glacier, first time mushing on a glacier, and we feel extremely blessed and privileged to have been able to do the helicopter tour and the sled dog tour courtesy of AK Helicopter Tours and AK Sled Dog Racing. After we were finished mushing and pretending to be Iditarod champions, we got to see some puppies that they had up there and snuggle with them. And then we got to see how the mushers live while they're up there on the glacier for a week at a time. They have these little huts with their things in them. And then they even have a kitchen and a little area where they can do dining and hang out. It was really cool to see. Before long, it was time to head back down the glacier and take the same helicopter tour back to home base and get some more of those amazing Alaska views. That tour was incredible. Beautiful weather, beautiful Alaska experience. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10 for me. What about you?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I think the whole family feels the same. That was awesome.
Yeah, I guess this is growing up.